In this video, I'll show you how to delete or close your Crypto.com account. To do this, go and open up the Crypto.com app, and in the top left of the home screen, click on the three lines. Then from there, go and click on your name at the top, and then click on Account. Now from within your account, all the way at the bottom, you will see Management and then Account Closure. If you go and click on this, you will see what you will lose access to, then just click Continue. Then they'll say, we're sorry to see you go. Kindly complete the following actions before proceeding. So you need to withdraw all funds from your account and download your transaction history for tax related purposes. So if you still have some money in your account, just go and withdraw that, send it to another wallet, withdraw it to your bank, and go and download your transaction history by clicking on the link right here, and then just select the date. You can just do all time, for example, and you can select what you want to download it for. And after doing that, click continue again. And then for me, it says unable to proceed since I still have some money in my account. If you don't, then from here you can confirm it and actually go and delete your Crypto.com account. So now you know how to delete or close your Crypto.com account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.